Professional wrestler Adam Scherr, once known as Braun Strowman, hasn't made many public appearances since his release from WWE, but the big man will make a big donation to the United for Waukesha Community Fund, helping the area he now calls home, and get back in the ring Saturday at Blizzard Brawl.
First match in front of people in 6 months. What are you going to be thinking, Adam?
Oh, man. I don't even know if I'm going to be thinking. I'm just really looking forward to just walking out and just feeling the energy of the crowd.
At the Waukesha County Expo Center, Adam Scherr will be back in the ring, and he can't wait.
Riding that electricity, when you walk into a building, your music hits, and everybody gets off their butts. They're going nuts, the roof's rattling. I just gave myself goosebumps thinking about it.
But it's more than a match. The Titan, Adam Scherr, will make a titanic donation, more than $10,000 from autograph and picture proceeds to help the Waukesha County parade victims. It's home, with his new house less than 30 miles away.
Wisconsin is going to be my forever home. When I come here, people treat me like Adam. It's an opportunity to shine some positive light in a negative situation. And I think it's really awesome, like seeing this community is going to come together and work as a whole for a positive in such a bad time, leading up into the holidays, being able to do some good, bringing some cheer, and hopefully putting some smiles back on people's faces that unfortunately had them taken away from them.
And now it's almost time to do his thing in the ring.
I don't ever take it easy on anyone. Anyone that knows the pedigree that I've had in my past endeavors in wrestling, when the bell rings, it's time to go to work. I don't get paid by the hour. I get paid by the job. It's special. There's nothing on this earth that mimics that feeling when you walk out and the place goes crazy. I really hope I don't get sent a bill for the roof blowing off this place when my music hits.
The doors at the Waukesha County Expo Center open at 5, bell time 7 o'clock Saturday night. Lance Allen, TMJ4 Sports.